Hi traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the flag limit zone. All right, so a flag pattern is actually one of the most common continuation patterns in trading. It usually forms after a strong move in the market, either up or down, right? So let's just break it down simply. Okay, first of all, you have to see a strong impulsive move. The first thing is to have a strong impulsive move. All right, this is called the flagpole, right? Okay, so it's called the flagpole. It shows that buyers or sellers are in control. If it's a bullish flag, it's going to be buyers that are in control, right? If it's a bearish flag, of course, it's going to be sellers in control. Okay, so after that strong move, price doesn't continue immediately. Instead, it pauses and starts moving sideways or slightly against the trend, right? As you can see, right? So this pause forms what looks like a small channel or rectangle. That is the flag, okay? Now, the limit zone refers to the best area within that flag where traders look to enter a trade. Instead of waiting for a breakout, right? Instead of waiting for a breakout, some traders enter near the edges of the flag. For example, buying near the lower boundary in an uptrend or selling near the upper boundary in a downtrend, right? Why? Because it offers better risk to reward. You are entering at a discounted price within a trend. Of course, if you enter after a breakout, you won't have the same risk to reward ratio so long as you have the same stop loss level, right? Let's assume that our stop loss level is here. If you enter after a breakout, your risk would be more than if you had entered at the lower boundary of the flag, unless if maybe you want to modify your lot size, right? So that's why traders often combine this with other confirmations like trend direction, volume or support and resistance, because not every flag works perfectly. Okay, so the fact that entering at a discounted price would offer you better risk to reward doesn't mean that a breakout is guaranteed, right? So that's the reason why it's always good to also get additional confirmations. Okay, so the key idea is simple. You need to have a strong move, a temporary pause, and then continuation in the same direction, right? The flag limit zone helps you position yourself early before the next move happens. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.